Behind me is the Pro unit of the Xensuri cold plunge and chiller unit. They just sent it to me, and if you're in the game for a new cold plunge, this may be one of the best models on the market that I have used to date. So stick around and I'll tell you more about it. So some months back, Xensuri reached out to me and asked me to test out one of their cold plunges and chiller units. And at that time, they had a smaller unit, which you can see right over here. And I've done a separate video on that before, and so if you want to watch that, I'll link it in the description. But they recently reached out to me and said, "Hey, we are just about to release a Pro model, and we think it's going to blow your mind. Would you mind doing a review of that one?" I said, "Sure, send it over." And as always, I told them I will only make a video for you if you allow me to say exactly what I think about it, because I only promote stuff that I absolutely believe in and would use myself. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this guy right here. So first thing, this is the new Pro tub that they have. It is a more of a lay down tub than their prior one. Prior one they had was more circular and taller. And so I think neither one is necessarily better. It's just more of a preference of if you prefer to get in and squat down versus get in and lay down. This is more of a lay down unit. However, this one being bigger, you can actually fit two people in here. My wife and I both got in here on each end, and we had plenty of room left. So if you like doing cold plunges with your spouse or friends or anything, this would be the one that you actually want to get. I still have the other one. I love them both. If I'm by myself, I prefer the taller stand-up units, and this one if I'm doing it with other people. These units are absolutely rock solid. As you saw me standing on top of these, this is the same material that they use to make paddle boards out of, and so it is really, really sturdy, and it's made to last a long time. I've seen some things online, people kind of dissing the blow-up tubs. I actually really like the blow-up tubs because when you get in, it doesn't matter if you fall back or anything like that. You're not going to hurt yourself climbing over this or hitting your head on the edge of it. It's also really nice when you lay up against it inside or putting your head back on it, that it's a pretty padded unit. I've never had any issues with any of these leaking or popping or breaking. So unless you're practicing your ninja skills with your swords around this, it's probably going to last you a very, very long time. So this right here is the Pro Chiller unit, and this thing is an absolute beast. All right, I'll go over the specs in it in detail in just a moment, but when they told me they were creating a Pro model, I thought it would be just kind of like a half horsepower, three-quarter horsepower model, like most of the other ones on the market out there, and that it would be about the same quality. When this thing landed, I was absolutely blown away. This thing is a massive beast. It is a 1 horsepower unit. It has 4 separate filters in it. It has built-in ozone. It has built-in Wi-Fi. The fan in this thing is massive. This thing dropped the temperature in this entire tub from 78 degrees to 55 degrees in about 2.5 hours. It was incredibly fast. I mean, this is a commercial unit at this point. If you have a gym or have people constantly rotating through your cold plunge, or you live in a very hot environment like I do here in Florida, this unit will absolutely crush. So in that regard, highly, highly, highly recommend. Let me get into more of the details here. So taking a little bit closer look here at the unit, this thing is stunningly beautiful. If I can get a good view of here we go. All right, so this is what the control panel looks like. You have on-off switch here. This switches between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You have the Wi-Fi connect here. This goes through all of your settings. And then here's your buttons to go through. If you hold these both down, it will lock the screen so that your little kids can't get into it. In fact, I came out here today and saw fingerprints all over this from my daughter. So I'm actually glad that I locked it. You can see here that we have Wi-Fi connected. It has ozone that's actually active right now. This thing kicks on every 15 minutes, and you can set how long you want it to go on for. This tells you whether it's cooling or heating or defrosting. It shows that the buttons are locked right now, as you can see. It tells you what you have it set to and what the active water temperature is, and even the flow rate. This is an incredibly fast flow rate, which is which is awesome. And then here's the app. I just pulled it up for you guys. This was super easy to connect, literally one button, download the app, and it instantly connected. So I can run this from anywhere, whether I'm in the house or at work or anything like that. It shows you the active temperature, what your temperature is set at, how long you want the ozone to run for every time that it kicks on. You can lock it from here. You can set it to auto, timer, power. It shows you your flow rate, everything. All right, this app is super simple, really awesome. All right, and of note right here is they have a sticker on here that will have you download the app. And right here, this shows you their installation videos so that there is absolutely no guesswork. They are both amazing. I actually followed this installation video, even though I've built a ton of these, even DIY projects, and this thing was perfect the entire way through. Then we move over here. This is actually the first of the filtration system. Inside of here, there is a filter that looks kind of like this, except a bigger one. That's for an old cold plunge I had. And over that filter is another filter that is a sediment wire filter. Another thing I want to mention is that this thing is on caster wheels down here. So you can actually unlock this thing, and then you can wheel this thing around, which is great because it's so heavy and it wheels smooth as butter. Also on the side here, I forgot to mention, there's actually another compartment that has I don't know if I can get it off. Oh, wrong way. Has a whole nother filter in here that is for dust to make sure that the inside of the unit itself stays clean and that you don't get things into the fan and the internal components. And then if we come around the back side here, man, look at this fan. This thing is massive. So we have another dual stage filtration system right here. There we go. This is the chiller drain unit, inlet and outlet ports. Coming around, here's a condensation filter. But between these two and these two, this thing stays super clean with the added ozone. Some other things that they upgraded on this is the use of very solid PVC tubing. It does bend, but this stuff is incredible. They also chose to go with complete metal fittings here, which are just absolutely premium product. They have a nice zip-up insulation here, whereas a lot of the other units that I've seen just have like a foam that they send with it that tears very easily. There's also a built-in breaker here for safety. This fan is huge. It is absolutely massive unit. It tells you all of the specs right here if you want to look at them. They did water shutoff valves on both of them, which is pretty impressive. And then the only thing I do for all of my cold plunges, which isn't necessary, especially with this cold plunge, I just do it out of habit, is I put in a UV light into my cold plunges as well. Look how clean that water is. That's amazing. Comes with a little thermometer as well, but I drop a UV light into mine just as an extra measure. I bought this thing off Amazon, super cheap. You really don't need it with this. In fact, just opening this, I can smell the ozone coming out of it. One of the things I would recommend is if you are going to get a unit with built-in ozone, is that whenever you open the top of the lid, you need to let it air out for a little bit. You're going to smell that ozone and you really don't want to be breathing it in. It's actually pretty toxic to be breathing in long-term for the lungs. So make sure you let it air out for about 10 seconds. Looking inside this thing is massive. It's huge. I mean, it really is a big unit that you can fit multiple people in. All right, so before I jump into this thing, I wanted to run through a couple of specs. I got them up here on my phone. First, this chiller over here is a 1 horsepower chiller. That is massive. If you live in any warm conditions, Florida, the southern United States, any South American country, anywhere where it's hot in the world, you're going to want a bigger chiller unit. That is because it has to kick on so often if you have a smaller unit. When I previously had their mini version, I noticed that while it would keep the water nice and cool all day, it was having to run and kick on a lot more. And over time, that is going to add wear and tear to the unit, decreasing its lifespan. This thing is a beast. It will run forever. Next, this thing has a 2700 watt cooling capacity. And oh, one more amazing feature that I haven't told you about this yet. This thing can also turn into a hot tub. That's correct. It is a cold plunge and hot tub unit in one. The water temperature is adjustable from 3 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And as a conversion for all my American friends, that's 37 degrees Fahrenheit to over 108 degrees Fahrenheit, which puts it into hot tub range. And you can do it all in the same unit. And the thing is, it will cool and heat that water completely in about 3 hours. And the fact that you have Wi-Fi connected to it means that you can start that process while you're still at work. And by the time you get home, it's either cooled to the temperature you want or it's heated up for a hot tub, ready for you and your spouse to jump into. At the moment, mine is nice and cold, down around 50 degrees at the moment. So let's get in, let's get cold.